Hi, I'm Dr Vstrom, and as you can see, probably you can tell that it is the winter time. It's not the best time to fully ride your motorcycle, especially in some locations. However, it is the best time to do some maintenance on your motorcycle. And this video is all about that today, and especially it focuses on workshop manuals, whether in hard copy form like this one. This is for the Vstrom 800 DE, not the RE. There is one for the Vstrom 800 RE as well, or SE, and also for other Vstrom 650, 1050, and all other motorcycles. Such workshop manuals are really handy because they not only give you some of the steps, not in full detail like I do on my videos, but they give you some of the steps on doing some maintenance and some other tasks and works on your motorcycle, but they give you the torque values as well, so they are quite useful. This video comes as a request from you because in some locations in Europe, or almost all locations in Europe, it's not possible to get either the hard copy or the CD-ROM or the electronic form of the workshop manual. You might be able to get it, but it's really expensive because you need to import it from Japan. And so, just to help you after your request about these workshop manuals, this video is all about that. I'm going to share a source on getting these workshop manuals, but please note, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid by them. This is just sharing some information very quickly. If you need such a workshop manual and you like this information, DM me on my personal Instagram account at Dr Vstrom on your screen right now, and I will share this information. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride